Even if you don't have a solid reason to buy one, you have to acknowledge that drones are cool. Some are glorified tech toys, while others are suitable for use in image and cinematic applications of all sizes. If you believe you might be able to employ a flying camera in your next project, there's some good news. DJI has released 2 new products. So, today, let's go over the DJI's 2 newest products. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Product number 2, DJI Avata. The Avata from DJI is the company's second first-person view FPV drone and its first Cine-Whoop-style drone. It is a clear sign that the world's leading consumer drone manufacturer is aiming to lure more beginners into the world of immersive flying by packing a ton of features and a solid build into a smartly designed, streamlined out-of-the-box solution. The product comes with everything you need to get started flying right out of the box. One of the most appealing aspects of flying first-person view (FPV) drones and Cine-Whoop drones is the ability to navigate in confined places and perform aerobatic actions like flips and rolls, typically while capturing video that is immersive and captivating. Putting on a pair of face-mounted displays, which DJI refers to as Goggles 2, transports the operator into the thick of the action. It's the equivalent of being in the center of the front row of the theater during an intense action scene. Before DJI released its first-person view (FPV) drone in March 2021, piloting this category of drone required mastering a totally novel and intricate set of abilities. It was not an activity that was particularly welcoming to novices. A normal first-person view (FPV) drone does not hold your hand because it does not have the automatic controls that DJI's FPV drones have, which allow the drone to stop or hover in place. In addition, if you buy one of DJI's models, you won't need to know how to wire your own camera or motors, fiddle with radio frequencies, or configure your remote control. These are all things that were typical in a lot of the earlier FPV drone solutions that were available. The DJI Avata is the company's response to criticisms voiced by customers regarding the company's first-person view (FPV) drone. It weighs in at 410 grams, which is equivalent to 14.46 ounces, and has dimensions of 7.09 by 7.09 by 3.15 inches. Because of its small frame and inbuilt propeller guards, it is highly unlikely that the Avata would ever need to be taken in for repairs unless it is involved in a collision that is both severe and devastating. A newly developed camera has a CMOS sensor with a resolution of 48 megapixels, a type 7.6 by 5.7 mm, and the ability to record video at resolutions of up to 4K 60p and 2.7 kelvins 120p. The Avata also features a mode called Turtle that, when activated, will turn the drone over so that it is right side up if it is lying on its back on the ground. In addition, the DJI Goggles 2 headset, which is included as part of the Avata package, has been improved to be more user-friendly, lighter, and more compact. In conclusion, DJI has developed an aerodynamic machine that will make users feel a great deal more confidence when flying. This machine also offers an easy entrance point for those individuals who do not wish to relearn how to fly. It is a great option to do-it-yourself Cine-Whoop and FPV rigs, particularly for professionals who have already been accustomed to using them. If you already possess an original DJI FPV drone, it is worthwhile to upgrade to this model. Those who want to try their hand at stunt flying for the first time will find this drone to be the most useful. Definitely, with such a lot packed in a drone, it comes at a price. For Avata, you can get one for $1,388. Product number 1, Osmo Action 3. DJI's modular camera experiment is ended. The new Osmo Action 3 camera returns to the original's one-piece construction and reintroduces the Osmo brand to differentiate itself from the Action 2. The DJI Osmo Action 3 has a camera system similar to the Action 2, a 12 megapixels 1/1.7-inch sensor behind a 155 degrees ultra-wide lens. Videos are captured at up to 130 megabits per second to a micro SD card. As before, the basic video modes are 4K at 120 fps 16:9 or 60 fps 4:3 and 1080p at 240 fps 16:9. There are various slow motion settings available, as well as hyperlapse at up to 4K resolution. The upgraded Rocksteady 3.0 electronic image stabilization works at up to 4K 120 FPS in the new model. Horizon Steady has returned and will keep the horizon level even if you rotate the camera 360 degrees, although it is limited to 2.7 kelvins 60 FPS. As a medium ground, there is a new horizon balancing option that can correct tilt up to 45 degrees and works at up to 4K 60 FPS. Because vertical video is very common in today's society, the camera includes a redesigned protective frame with 2 attachment points, one on the bottom and one on the side, allowing you to rapidly convert between horizontal and vertical video. Since the Action 2, the quick-release mechanism has been modified by adding notches for a locked-in, impact-resistant grasp. The little 1.4-inch LCD on the front of the Osmo Action 3 now features touch capabilities, allowing vloggers to modify camera settings. Something similar was feasible with the Action 2's front touchscreen module, but that was in the past. The rear display is much larger, measuring 2.25-inch, up from 1.76-inch. The camera has a recording time of up to 160 minutes, at 1080p 30 fps, no ice, screens turned off. Because of enhanced thermals, the sole barrier to 4K 60 fps recording is the battery's capacity. It also has a wide operational temperature range of -20 degrees to 45 degrees Celsius using the provided battery. Enduro extended cold weather batteries are often sold separately by GoPro. Please keep in mind that you cannot charge the batteries below freezing, a common issue with lithium batteries. The charging temperature range is 5 degrees to 40 degrees Celsius. On the plus side, the battery supports quick charging, with a 0 to 80% charge time of 18 minutes and a remaining 20% charge time of 32 minutes. Without a casing, the camera is waterproof and can dive to a depth of 16 meters. If you need to go deeper, DJI has a dedicated case. A color temperature sensor enables the camera to give more accurate color while underwater and transitioning to the surface. Gorilla Glass protects the 2 touchscreens and the camera lens and can resist 1.5 meter drops. The displays also include a hydrophobic layer, allowing you to utilize them even with wet fingertips. The camera has 3 microphones on board and can accept external microphones through the USB-C to 3.5mm adapter. The Action 3 May also function as a webcam, providing high-quality video and audio for conference calls and live streams. The DJI Osmo Action 3 is available over at the DJI store for just $329. That's all for this video. Please like, subscribe, share and comment on this video if you enjoy it. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Thanks for watching.